All right, guys, we're going to talk about some arrays. So we've been working on arrays a little bit in groups, but today our math lesson is on these arrays. So what they are a way for us to visualize our multiplication, especially when we don't know how to solve a multiplication problem. So what we have is if we have 3 times 4, we'll go 3 times 2 because it's really hard to draw with this clicker. So this first one here, the 3, is the rows. And then this one is the columns. Yikes. Ugly handwriting. So the way I like to do it when I have 3 times 2 is I start with my rows and I go 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 down. Those are the rows. Rows go this way, side to side. So there's going to be 3 of the rows. Now the columns, you're going to fill them in, and I'm going to have a second column here because it's just 2. So that means each row has 2 in it now. So it's a 3 by 2. 3 by 2. And then the way we find our answer with arrays is by counting the x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 times 2 equals 6. Okay? Now we've got a lot of practice on these, so they should be review. But we'll do one more just to double check. Get rid of that, this, get rid of that. So let's try a 4 by 3. So there's going to be 4 rows, so let's represent each row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we fill in the columns, and there are 3. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3. So you always count this first one too. This counts. 1, 2, 3. And I just like to fill them in after that. So I have a 4 by 3. So now I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 4 times 3 equals 12. Okay. So this is how we're going to do those arrays. So you're just going to get some extra practice now working with the arrays. When you guys are typing in your answers and you're trying to do this multiplication sign, it's perfectly fine just to do if you just type an X. Okay. So the letter X represents that. Okay, that's the easiest way to do it without having to do anything crazy. So the X on the keyboard can represent the addition sign. Okay. So if you have questions, please comment them. You guys have been doing a great job. Keep it up.